All right, guys, what is up? We are back with the slow bolt. So I got the new software to program the BCM. I already got it installed. I got it on my laptop here. We're gonna be using, yeah, don't worry about the paint, it's already shot. So apparently I was doing it wrong. You're supposed to be using, oh, sorry. You're supposed to be using Tech 2. So I installed that here. I got my device here now. I'm just gonna get all this shit fired up and hook up the battery. All right, so I got the battery hooked up. So we're gonna pop open Tech 2, North American. I don't know if the car has to be, I think the thing has to be on for this, but. Okay, body control module. Module setup. BCM setup. Yes. Controller is locked. What does that mean? What does that mean, controller is locked? Okay, so I guess I gotta try this with the other shit BCM. Because apparently I guess this one's not the right one for the car. Alright guys, so I got the old BCM plugged back in. Gonna hook up our little friend here. Okay, it's not the wrong vehicle. Like, it's not the wrong vehicle. All right, guys, we're gonna get the fender liner in. You know why? Because I didn't need to program the BCM. I just plugged it in and fired right up. So last time the car was just dead. What an idiot. Oh, all that work, all that shit. All that grief. For what? For nothing. I'm just gonna program the traction control and ABS. And put this fender liner in. What an idiot. I cannot believe I did that. And all this time, I didn't need to do shit. At least got the radio working. Alright guys, so remember how I said I didn't know what the clunk was from the last video? I'll put it in here. It was the steering knuckle hitting these joints here. So, idiot. All right, okay. Problems solved. Okay guys, so we're gonna try and we're not gonna be able to write the VIN, which is fine. I just wanna make sure we can get traction control working and that there's no other issues like with the ABS and stuff. Okay, so this obviously came out of automatic transmission car. So we're gonna have to set up and try and make it match this one, hopefully. Configure options only, yes. 18-inch wheels. Yeah. So it's Canadian. Okay. All right, guys, we're getting somewhere here. Continue. Manual transmission. Beauty. Okay. This is good, my fellas. Fog lamps, yes. AC, what's RFA? Cruise control, yes. OnStar, yes. Power doors, DBR, what's that? Pretty sure this has JL4. Just going around back here to the sticker. JL4 dynamics. Oh, this is good, boys. We'll leave this because it was already on. What's DRR? And RFA. I don't know what that is. Okay. What's BBP? Okay. Brake supplied. Stop lamp circuit really short to battery or open. Stop lamp. Might one of the lights. Okay, fine. Radio's still good. Wireless communication, okay. Cellular phone service switch, okay, fine. That's because there's no thing hooked up. It means I rewired that properly. Chassis with VSES. Left front wheel speed sensor. So that's this one is low, okay. Front left wheel speed sensor circuit. Okay, so it's probably a bad wheel speed sensor, good. We can that after. Well, they're all reading 0, which is good. This is probably an issue as well. We gotta reset that. Okay, so we're going into the car for this one. Fuel tank, which is good. Okay, guys, hopefully the speedometer works now. I don't see why it shouldn't. Now that we got proper module communication. I gotta put my battery bracket in. The battery is loose right now, but I did get this little thing from Amazon. So I just gotta drill a hole down that bottom piece. And it comes with 2 threaded rods with hooks on the end. And the nuts and bolts to mount it. Huh? Pretty sick. I made a pilot hole. I got it right down there where we're grooving. If you ever don't have a punch, roofing nail. It might only last like 1 shot, so make it worthwhile. Oh, yeah. Damn. I amaze myself. Alright guys, so all that's left now, take her for a drive, see if the speedometer works. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys after I take her out, and fingers crossed it works. Alright guys, so to conclude today's video, the speedometer works. Everything looks pretty good up here. I just drove it to the gas station, put some 93 in her. The battery held up well. All the speakers work. Stereo works. Look at that. Came out pretty nice, eh? Just gonna leave this thing on the charger. Let her juice up. And yeah. Can't be mad about that. It was a very successful day today. We're ready for the racetrack tomorrow, so that'll probably be in the next video, but I'll see you guys later at the track. Peace. Alright, what is up guys? We are here at the track. Got my buddy in his blue car. I got the old piss missile here. This is gonna be the first time, first run here. Hopefully she no go kaboom, and hopefully she goes zoom. So I'll catch up with you guys when we got it unloaded and we're back up at the track. Thanks. Alright, yo, we in the Cobalt for the first time. Alright guys, we're just going to do a little warm-up lap here, and then hopefully enjoy my last lap of the day. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.
managed to drop a jack off the trailer. Don't know how, but we did. So now we're gonna little recovery here.